Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Travel with Ray, and today I'm back again with new video places that I visited, and I would like to share my experiences with you guys. Okay, before I start with my video, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Raymond. Okay, you're watching my channel, and as you're already aware that my channel is about traveling, so I travel every weekend to venture into new places. And in this video today I'm gonna post is about my travel experiences to Kuala Selangor. Kuala Selangor got a lot of tourist attraction places, you know, and you can do a day trip to there. You can drive over, those who are staying within KL area and all that. Places that I visited in this video is I went to Sky Mirror. Sky Mirror is a unique place where in the middle of sea, when the tide is low, you can walk on the sand. It's like an island, okay, and this doesn't happen all the days. It's only happen at a certain time when the tide is low. So if you want to visit, you can check with the tour agency at Kuala Selangor where they offer the Sky Mirror trip. You can check with them. They have a calendar when they can tell you the exact time and exact day, you know, and so on. After I went to Bukit Melawati. Bukit Melawati located not far away from the place that I took the boat to Sky Mirror. So we just drove there, and I brought my nephew and nieces along, so they enjoyed the place, the view. You take a tram to go up to the hill, and you can see some monkeys around. You can feed them, and they are very friendly. Trust me that you won't get so close even you see them in the zoo. So this is like a new experiences, especially the kids. Some of you have requested me to do some food review, so I decided Kuala Selangor offer a very nice seafood. You can get with a reasonable price. So I went to this one of my favorite restaurant. I've been there before. And then at the end of the evening, late evening, I went to another place. This is where the beauty of nature offers that, you know, you can watch the firefly. If you, I'm not sure whether everyone know what is firefly. Firefly is an insect that we have to take a boat, and there's millions of firefly among the branches of tree. Okay, this place is very dark. You cannot use any light, otherwise you can't see the firefly. They will just disappear. So we have to move in total darkness. So I couldn't get a nice video shot or photograph about the places that I visited, but that is, trust me, it was a very good experience, because nowadays we can't see any firefly in modern world. So I will try to post some of the pictures that I took at Firefly, but I urge that everyone try to make a visit and see the beauty of the nature for yourself. Before I proceed to my video, I just would like to say thank you to all that is watching my videos, following me. So those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click the button over here, and also the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you guys have any comment, just give me the comment, any suggestion, places, anything. I'll try to work into it. If you like my video, just give me a like button, just give me a like, and also share across to your friends, family, so that by helping me, this channel will grow. And thank you guys. Let's see my video. This is Sky Mirror, like I said earlier. Okay, you can see the surrounding. We are in the middle of sea. It happens only a few times in a month and certain time where the tide is low that we can walk. Still at Kuala Selangor. A lot of you have requested me to post something about food, so I'm going to have a nice seafood today for lunch. So I strongly recommend this restaurant because the food is really fresh and the price is very reasonable. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the restaurant that I mentioned earlier, so you guys can take note.